In a dramatic escalation overnight, Russia launched a wave of airstrikes across southeastern Ukraine. Missiles struck Kyiv, Kharkiv, a prison in Zaporizhia, and a hospital in Dnipropetrovsk, killing at least 19 people, including a pregnant woman. Ukrainian President Zelensky called the attacks a deliberate strike on civilians. This comes just hours after U.S. President Donald Trump shortened Russia's peace deadline to just 10 days, warning of severe consequences if no progress is made. As tensions rise and cities burn, the world is asking, are we heading toward full-scale war or a final shot at peace?